Why do people fast? Why do people do intermittent fasting? For health reason. They want to change. They want to be in good shape. Gusto nilang maging sexy, maging malakas. Because there is value in physical fasting. There is value in reducing food intake. I heard that one of the Nobel laureates, one who won the Nobel Prize, is a scientist who discovered that when you fast, the cells of your body eat your fat, no? Okay, so pag nagpa-fasting ka, yung may mga cells ng katawan na kinakain yung taba. Kaya pansinin nyo, yung mga talagang nagpa-fasting, they change. Change is one of the results of fasting. And that should also be the result of our spiritual fasting. There must be change. If we fast by not taking food enough, then there is a physical change. But when we exercise spiritual fasting, the question is there a change? That's why in the first reading, the Lord indicated the kind of fasting results that He expects from people. If you fast, then this is what I should see. Fasting that I wish are releasing those bound unjustly, untying the thongs of the yoke, setting free the oppressed, breaking every yoke, sharing your bread with the hungry, sheltering the oppressed and the homeless. Those are the results, the changes that God wants to see from people who are fasting. Because you cannot fast without conversion as a result. You cannot fast without you giving something in return. That's why true fasting is not merely about what we give up. What we give up, hindi lang yon. Iba sa inyo, ngayong ngayong panahon ng Kwaresma, there are things that you give up. Hindi kayo inom ng soft drinks, hindi kayo kakain ng chocolate, okay, babawasan ninyo ang pagkain. True fasting is not merely about what we give up, but what we give. Not only what we give up, but also what we give. In other words, when we fast, it should always lead us to conversion of life. Now, the question is, does my fasting, make me more loving? Remember, connected with fasting is change. Whether it's physical fasting or spiritual fasting, fasting from anger, fasting from envy, this fasting must bring about change. If there is no change, our fasting becomes meaningless.